championship in the city. Individual ground residents share the first over the year 2024. Now, we proceed to the part 2 of our program, the beginning at Ginoo Baliktaran SSNI 2024. Are you ready, candidates? Ready na ba, candidates? Before that, isa kayo ng datan. Isa yung format na rumen. Kaputan na to. Okay. May I introduce to you our honored judges for this afternoon. The Mati Teacher, Ma'am Gemma Bakay, palakpakan, baka nyo kayo mamuli, Ma'am Gemma. Okay. And of course, our kumare, beautiful, nabakinang. Di ba, Amelia Prudencio? Sinigang. Okay. So, ito yung scoring. Production, 10 points. Introduction, best in introduction, 10 points. Celebrity lookalike, 10 points. Q&A, 10 points. And Aura, 10 points. From there, magsasalit tayo ng Binibining at Ginoo Baliktaran SSNI 2024. Ready?
Uy, ready na!
Q&A tuntun, eme ko nito. Everybody, let's welcome our lovely candidates for our Binibining.
Uy, tutuwa dyan ni Graham Balls. Tutuwa ni Graham Balls sa dito.
Let's welcome your former advisor!
Yay! Wow, perfect!
Mula nakita ka di paglalag-lagan. Okay, ready na? Pasok na. Okay. Once again, let's welcome Let's welcome our lovely candidates, our Binibining at Ginoo SSNI Baliktaran 2024 in their production number. Palapan! Music! O, sulat kayo muna ka nun, mas basta.
Music!
Bakit lang, yan! Presto, sa production number.
Joseph!
Production.
Go, Angel J! Hannah! Kilot!
introduction namin natin. Let's go.
Angel J, pagtalbugang! Go, Jay! Hey!
Ano kayo lalabas sa ayos? Paano? Huwag kayo lang lalabas. Habang inaayos yung number. Ay ba? Yung friend inali mo doon. Doon ka sa kay Justin.
Gon ulit! Go! Angel J!
Okay, lahat yung kaganda. Dito sa production niyo. Okay, sige, tuloy. Masaya ko sila. Tuloy yung sayo sila. Okay, tuloy yung sayo sila. Tuloy ang production.
Magpapakilala na ba?
Kambot J! Kambot J! Kambot!
Apa yung tungkol mo na nilang mo gano'n? Apa yung tungkol mo na nilang mo gano'n yung batsal? Ay, tuloy. Ang former leader kanina sa stage. Rampa. Magpapakilala na. Magpapakilala na.
Okay, let's welcome. Candidate number 1. Tina. Alikot.
Pagtalbugin mo! Italbog mo! Talbog mo! Talbog mo, bro!
Nasa gisa mo. Hi, mic. Mic volume. Okay, sige. Lahat. Introduction na. Mamaya Mamaya kasi abat ba? Uunahin mo na kasi. Quiet na.
Angela Jane. I am 13 years old from Okay kaya. Ang mga life is unang kagat, lagi kagat. Ang hello sarap, tumatay nyo sa inyong harap.
Again, Precious! Nabidyohan mo yung una?
My name is Manzel Gabriel from Poblacion, Babaw, Cagayan, from Zonzo. And my motto of life is, why have a 1 pack of rice and have 6 pack of abs?
Ayun sa actually yung box sa ano, sa ano natin.
Ah, babasahin pa. Sige, kaya natin basahin nila. Meron silang introduction to para nag-focus. Wala, sige, go.
Love is a glue that binds families, providing comfort, support, and stability. It's not just about emotions, but about trust, dedication, and understanding. Without a family, love creates a space where everyone can grow and show kindness. By fostering love, we not only strengthen our family connections, but also teach future generations the value of meaningful relationships, cultivating love in our homes is key to creating strong, supportive families.
Para pagkakalakan, pananahakan.
My advocacy is about inclusivity. Inclusivity means ensuring that everyone, regardless of background or identity, is treated with respect and given equal opportunities. It's about celebrating differences and creating space where all individuals feel valued and heard. By fostering inclusivity, we break down barriers, challenge stereotypes, and empower everybody to contribute to society. Embracing diversity strengthens communities, encourage innovation, and build an unified world. And that's my advocacy.
Okay, let's give them a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, candidate number 1. Over there, close. Close.
Talbog mo! Talbog mo!
Back. To the right.
Sinibe!
Back, atras. Let's welcome candidate number 2.
Nandiyan na ang dalaga!
Boss. Sino ka? Kita. Atras. Model dito. Model. Malikot. Forward.
Perfect!
Alright.
Jay.
My name is Kylie Jenna and I'm from Poblacion, Magdao, Cagayan, Zonzo. And I am 15 years old and my motto is ang taong gilid sa aking lumalapit.
Ang taong gabit sa aking lumalapit.
Started, I'm from Kalupian, Magdao, Cagayan, and 15. My motto is, pagpatuloy ka ang mahal mo, never say die, because tomorrow is another day.
Ayan yung advocacy nila. I believe in empowering change by together we can make a difference and create a brighter future
stands for working for where progress and compassion thrive.
Let's give them a round of music.
Number 3. Bigyan mo ng palakpakan.
JM, twerk!
Good morning, everyone. My name is Charmaine. I'm 15 years old and I'm from Poblacion, Bangor. My motto in life is, sa'yo lang yayagin, lalo na nasa saligid.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Botong from Tongpulong. I'm 15 years old from Guangzhou, Poblacion. Sabi nga nila, paano ka mag-grow kung ayaw mo magpatuloy?
Express optimism and positivity. Emphasizing the potential for positive change.
Uy, babae, bes! Babae. Kit.
Paint a picture of better future if the problem is solved. Example, imagine a world where every child has access quality education regardless of their background, disposition, and
Express optimism and positivity, emphasizing the potential for positive change. For example, despite the
Na-flirty talaga ni JM.
reason, by working together, we can create a more just and equitable society.
Palakpak kayong ano! Sorry.
Palakpakan naman yung mga number 3. Next contestant, number 4.
Yay!
My name is Sean Darius Icarus, 14 years old, all the way from Donfort, Malalacan. My vitals is 35, and my motto is Dito Walang Perfect. Lahat supply, pero love pa rin. Thank you.
Ay, perfect. Iba naman eh. Nagpintas talaga ni Kyle. Uy, kitaan nyo baka tulo January kat napuno tayo, di ba baklat to yun. Basta may pipe!
Hoy, tama na, tama na, tama na.
My advocacy is love. A world where love transcends boundaries, confidentiality, acceptance, and compassion. Mission is to promote a culture of genuine connection and kindness by encouraging people to love unconditionally, starting with themselves and extending it to others. Thank you.
Lalaki ka, News! Maglalaki ka. Hoy, lalaki kan! Lalaki.
Go! Ay, perfect! Si JM, makasanupin na takatugawa dyan. Hoy, ni Maring mangutang!
Iubot na.
Ni Maring mangutang!
Rich. Rich, tita. Josephine! Ni Maring mangutang! Naka-video ba? Pressure, di ka na mag-picture. Picture kayo kami. Picture you the May sursurot pa na mamitoy paglaro ko. May Adam sa apple yung babae.
Boss! Boss! Josephina! Boss! 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 Perfect!
Okay, para pa ka.
Natin nag-diobot na! Aura! Aura!
Ay, kaya!
Tumalbog! Italbog mo yan! Talbog mo! Guys! Oh, dali, DM. Wow! Perfect!
Ay!
Hoy, kasatik pala! Ay, perfect! Papatalo ka ba? Papatalo ka?
Hindi yan papatalo!
Hey, Pogi! Pogi! Ah! Hoy, Pogi! Woo!
proceed to the Q&A question. Pwede ba lang dito na sample questions? Simple questions lang. Hindi ko mag-answer ng Ilocano o ng Tagalog if you want. Okay. We will put it number one, please. Hindi ginawa ang baligtaran. Mag-iwala na tayo. Ang tansin ko na tanaw.
Yan, perfect!
Sige sa'yo. Mamaya, wala natin si Pinipini. Number one. Question number 3. Okay, let's pass on to question number 2.
Uy, babae ka! Babae ka! Ulit! Ulit! Babae ka! Go! Char.
The qualities ay a true friend is kahit maraming problema, nandiyan pa rin sila, hindi kayo iiwanan.
What's your number? Number 9. Ma'am Harriet, number 9.
Hello, contestant number 9.
Number 1.
Number 1, sorry. Number 1. What motivates you to strive for excellence in your personal or professional life? What motivates you to strive for excellence in your student life? See my parents proud. If I get into the honor list, I can see my parents happy.
Yay!
Candidates number 1. Boss.
Perfect!
What's your number? Number 2.
Kyle, babae ka, Kyle.
Hello, dear. Hi, Mom.
Hi! Perfect!
Your question is, what does unconditional love mean to you?
Anong ibig sabihin ng unconditional love para sa iyo? Walang makantay na pagmamahal.
Tsaka picture.
Walang hinihingi. Makagig na pagmamahal.
Tsaka video. Pang camera mo. Hi! Perfect!
Is that all? Okay, thank you.
celebrate and respect diversity. Bakit daw mahalaga na kailangan ipagdiwang at respetuhin ang pagkakaiba?
At ipagdiwang.
Okay, thank you so much. Kaya all pinili. Aling ka, nagpapalala natin sila. Music. Here we have candidate number 3.
Diyan na siya!
Okay, who's up?
Diyan na si Tony Fowler.
What number is that? Tapos yun kasi tinatingnan. Okay, your number is number 10. Okay. Hi, candidate number 10. Hi, sir. How do you feel with that big
Puti.
approval?
I feel good, sir, because my pussy is very big.
Very big! I feel very big because my puti is
Okay, now okay, here's your question. How do you celebrate small achievements on the path to bigger goals? Paano mo pinagdiriwang ang mga maliliit na tagumpay patungo sa mas malaki pang mga layunin o hangarin? Paano mo pinagdiriwang ang mga maliliit na tagumpay patungo sa mas malaki pang hangarin o layunin?
Dalawa po ang sisibagay na
Ayos ni.
Okay, thank you so much. Number 3. How about you, Philippine? You know, number 5.
Okay, your question. Do you make others feel included in a group setting? Thank you for that wonderful question.
How do you make others feel included in the group setting? In the group setting. How do you make others feel? Paano mo pinapakita sa iba na kabilang sila sa grupo na ito?
Siyempre, sir, una-una, hindi ko sila makalimutan sa mga maliit na bagay na, for example,
Number 5. How do you make others feel included in the
lagi
group
ko
setting?
silang kasama sa lahat ng bagay na gagawin namin at hindi ko sila mababayaan na lang sa amin. So that hindi sila ma-left out.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Billy and Gino Balutara, candidate number 3. Easy. Let's welcome candidate number 4.
Nobody's perfect.
Atas. Ay, 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 ay. Atas sa gitna. Atas sa gitna. Ayan. What's your number?
Wala, chikikit na.
Number 7.
Number 7. What is one what is skill or hobby you developed recently to improve yourself? What is one skill or hobby you developed recently to improve yourself? Ano daw yung isang kasanayan or habit na na-develop mo para ma-improve ang iyong sarili?
Why? Bakit skill training? Training sa skill habits. Oh, bakit?
Labuking. Ay, perfect.
Number 4. Do you have a question number? Number 4. Okay, here's your question. Okay. How can you support a friend who is going through a difficult time? How can you support a friend who is going through a difficult time?
By giving them some advices and comforting them, and for not letting them feel that they are feeling down, and to feel that to let them feel loved.
Okay, thank you so much for being at your Valentine.
Nagtani ka na rin.
Number 5. Okay. Sige, hold on. Last two numbers. Okay. Bini-bini Valentine, what's your number, please?
Adi ubot ni ka. Adi ubot ni iyo.
Your question. How do you express love and care to the people around you?
How do you express love and care to the people around you? Paano mo ipinaparamdam ang pagmamahal at pagmahalaga sa mga tao mo sa paligid?
Perfect talaga ni Kyle.
question, number 8.
Picture naman ni
How
Ace,
do
Mary
you
Jane.
handle setbacks or failures in your journey of self-improvement? How do you handle setbacks or failures in your journey of your self-improvement? Setbacks, yung mga doubts, failures. How do you handle them?
I handle those things by ginamit ko sila bilang inspiration upang magpapang ang sarili at hindi malaw. Dahil kapag inisip ko yung sarili ay wala nang mangyayari sa akin. Kapag ng ang sarili. Walang silbi ang mga nagsasabi nila na pagkatawag nila sa'yo kung inisipin mo dahil sa'yo rin mabuhang sa'yo.
Okay, thank you so much for your meeting. And your final product, number 5. Okay, so vote muna kayo while waiting for the results. Then we have an intermission number, a surprise intermission number from the boys. Thank you.